What does a research assistant do? A research assistant is a person who is hired to conduct research, collect the data, and present it in a neat, concise manner. The data gathered by a research assistant helps the client to find the answer to their questions. Most of the businesses, market research agencies, scientists, media companies need data for their projects, decision making, and strategy planning. In most of the cases, they don't have enough human resources and time to conduct the research and collect all the data by themselves. Hence, they consistently hire people who can do this job for them. Suitable for anyone who is comfortable in doing research and has a desire to learn new things. Skills required. 1. Ability to conduct proper research on the internet, collect valuable data and summarize it into an easy to read report. 2. Ability to dissect important points and keep an eye on important details. 3. Strong English grammar and writing skills. 4. Strong critical analysis and logical reasoning skills. 5. Creative problem solving skills. How to get started. The only best option I could find is to get started by submitting an online application to become a personal research assistant at asquander.com. What is Asquander? Asquander.com is a company which offers personal research services to businesses, entrepreneurs with the aim of saving their time otherwise spent on doing research by providing detailed answers to their queries. How does it work? 1. Fill your Asquander application here. Though, once your application is accepted, you can visit the research dashboard and select the research assignment that interests you the most. 3. Conduct the research, find the answers and summarize them into easy to read report. 4. Submit your work and earn money. Expected earnings. Most of your earnings will depend on the number of assignments you complete. Earnings will also vary based on questions' complexity. Thus, some will make you more money than others. In general, most of the questions will pay you between $8 to $16. Top researchers earn up to $35 and make around $2,000.